Hi, Chinni. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so this is Aruna from Quality Department, Chinni. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, your studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
Myself is Chinni from Batch 9. I'm basically from Hosapete, VijayaNagara district. I came across CMTI through one of my friends. Is working in Mumbai. I joined here for a course for 2 months and learned a lot of new things regarding QS, billing, data analysis, and construction site visits. They arranged quite a few site visits during regarding interiors as well as construction.
Fine. So can you tell me about trainer Natarajan sir and Ashok sir? How was Ashok sir guidance of interview and career? Can you tell me about that?
He was very motivating. He actually pushed us what to pursue in which field, what we are interested in, and all. We got a lot of information from him regarding how to speak and all. And Rajan sir is a good mentor.
Okay,
He's
fine.
very interactive and
Okay. So, how was your site visits and all, Cindy? Whether it was only construction or both interiors?
both construction and interiors. It was very informative. Learned a
Okay.
lot regarding interiors, marbles, types, and its names.
Okay, fine. So, what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
They have quite a few documents and videos regarding every lectures. But we are taught in offline classes. Same videos are there, very informative, and they regarding the IS code books, each and every work, their methodologies, specifications, backups, checklists, how to write, billing lectures. Every they have covered. You guys have covered each and everything, I think.
Okay. So, coming to your confidence level before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI, any changes in that?
Yes, it was. I handled my interview very well. That I can be sure.
Okay. Yeah. Then, what about CMTI staffs? How was their coordination throughout the process?
They're, they were good, just a little tight about attendance. So
Okay, fine. Then, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors finally?
my friends, they are still attending some of the interviews. I've joined my first interview as well. So if they attend more and more interviews, they get to know what companies are looking for, what type of engineers they're looking, and their values in market. They'll get to know. Just
Okay.
encourage them to attend as many interviews as possible, even if they are failure or anything. Doesn't matter.
Thank you, Chinni. That was a good feedback from your side. And once again, congratulations for your placements and all the best for your future. Thank you so much.